Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how to call Siri on your iPhone. So how to do that? You need to at first take a look at these buttons right here. Here I've got this multifunctional one, plus and minus. Triple click this button right here, this circular one, this multifunctional one, 1, 2, 3. Here we've got now Siri. That's it. It works both on Android phones, like for your Google Assistant or Gemini, and here for Siri. On Chinese phones, I think, and I've tested it, that some devices cannot actually comprehend with Chinese phones and Chinese OSs. Maybe not Xiaomi, but I think like Vivo or I don't know, some other OnePlus devices. You know what I mean. Sometimes there are some problems, but if you have Google Assistant set up, there shouldn't be any problem. Of course, either Google Assistant or Gemini. That's it. Bye.